Good morning to all students. Welcome to online class. Today we discuss about equality of matrix. Equality of matrix. Equality of matrix means we have to compare two matrix, or we compare, or we can equal two matrix if it satisfies the following condition. So first of all, we take two matrix. Let two matrix A and B are said to be equal if there are two conditions here. If first condition is they have same order, and the second one is the corresponding elements are same. So two matrices are said to be equal if it satisfies two conditions. That means first is they have same order, and second is the corresponding elements are same. That means A is equal to Aij of m into n order. Suppose you take A is a matrix having order m into n. Another matrix, suppose B matrix Bij, and its order is m into n. If its element, that means Aij, if it satisfies if Aij is equal to Bij and I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n, and j is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. That means two matrices are equal if it satisfies two conditions. First is same order, second is corresponding elements are equal. So now we take some examples to understand clearly. Example 1. Suppose A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, 8, and another matrix 2, 4, 7, 8. Are two matrices equal, or can we say these matrices are equal matrices? No, because in this matrix its order is 2 into 3. In this matrix, because it contains 2 rows and 3 columns, so order of this matrix is 2 into 3, and the second matrix is 2 into 2. So these orders are not equal. So A and B are not an equal matrix because it does not satisfy the first condition. So it is not a equal matrix. Another example. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and another matrix 2, 6, 8, 1, 0, 9. Are two matrices are equal? Answer is no, because its order are same, because it is an order of 2 into 3, and the second matrix is also an order of 2 into 3. Here order are same, but the corresponding elements are not same. So it is not an equal matrix. So we can write A is not equal to B because its corresponding elements are not same or not equal. We have another examples. Suppose A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. And B is a matrix of 1, 4, 9, 16. Are two matrices are equal? Yes. Because it satisfies two conditions. First is order of this first matrix is 2 into 2. Order of the second matrix is also 2 into 2. And second condition is corresponding elements are equal because here the first row, first column elements is 1 square and here corresponding element is also 1. That means 1 square is equal to 1. So the value is also 1. And here the first row, second column element there is 2 square. Here the value is 4. These are equal. So we can write A equal to because the order are same and second is corresponding elements are equal. So this is the example of equal matrix. Now take another examples. Find x and y if 2x minus 3 5 is equal to 2 minus 6 y 5. We have to find value x and y if it has condition 2 matrix. Here is the solution. First we say are two matrices are equal? Yes, because in the left part it is an order of 2 into 2 and the right side it is also order of 2. So they have same order. First of all they have same order and second condition is corresponding elements must be equal. That means here the corresponding element is 2, it's also 2. So those are equals and we compare the corresponding element of A1 2, that means first row second column elements and here is x and there is minus 6. We compare, then we get x is equal to minus 6. Similarly, 2 position is minus 3 and this position is y. So we compare, then we get y is equal to minus 3. So we get the result x and y. Here x equal to minus 6 and y is equal to minus 3. So if two matrices are equal, first they have same order and second y, the corresponding element must be equal. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.